Another small exercise for you to be quite familiar with the topic abstract nouns, because abstract nouns is something that is a bit confusing, and the more exercise you do, the more familiar you will become with the topic. So let us see some more sentences wherein we have to circle the abstract nouns in the sentences, and we should always keep in mind that abstract nouns are more feelings that one person feels within and is not something that can be seen or touched. So let us move on to this exercise. So the first sentence is, Lara had great trust for the police officer. So trust is a feeling that we experience. So the word trust is the abstract noun in the sentence. The next sentence, climbing that mountain took bravery. Again, bravery is a feeling. So the abstract noun here is bravery. The next, Mike shares lots of love with his family. Love is something that you feel within you and you do not show. So the word love is the abstract noun in the sentence. The kitten had a fear of leaving a warm bed. Again, fear is a feeling we feel. So the word fear is the abstract noun in the sentence. He takes pride in his job. So the word pride is the abstract noun in the sentence. Pam felt a lot of anger when Tina moved away. So the word anger is the abstract noun in the sentence. Anger. The dove is a symbol of peace. Again, peace is a kind of feeling. So the word peace. My grandmother is full of wisdom. Wisdom is something that is inbuilt. So the word wisdom is the abstract noun in the sentence. Kane has confidence that he'll make the team. So the word confidence is the abstract noun. Tina is very tall for her age. So here we don't find any abstract noun or the following are the abstract nouns in the sentences. Lara had great trust for the police officer. So the word trust. Climbing that mountain took bravery. So the word bravery is the abstract noun. Mike shares lots of love with his family. So the word love is the abstract noun. The kitten had a fear of leaving a warm bed. So the word fear. He takes pride in his job. So pride is the abstract noun. Pam felt a lot of anger when Tina moved away. So the word anger. The dove is a symbol of peace. So the word peace is the abstract noun. My grandmother is full of wisdom. Again, wisdom is the abstract noun. Kane has confidence that he'll make the team. So the word confidence is the abstract noun in the sentence. So these are the following abstract nouns.